channel. In today's video, we will take a look at how can we create a channel, update a channel and delete a channel from Microsoft Teams. In the previous video, we installed the Microsoft Teams module in the PowerShell. So let's go ahead and get started. So let's go now and first import the Microsoft Teams module. Import module, name, Microsoft Teams. Now that we have imported the module, now let's connect with Microsoft Teams. Connect Microsoft Teams, credential, and let's get the credential from a user. So now then we are connecting with Microsoft Team. It's now time to actually get the specific team in which we want to add the channel. So let's get a team. Now I have already a team created with the name of Project Secret. In that you would eventually be creating a different channels like analysis phase, development phase, design phase, testing phase, so on and so forth. So let's go and first get the handle on a specific team. So we will use get team, we will use display name, and the display name is Project Secret. Okay, let me show you the team as well. So here we have Project Secret team, and you can see we only have the default general channel. So we will be adding other channels in this team. Okay, back to PowerShell. Let's take a handle of these teams into a variable. So let's just call it as a Project Secret team. Okay. Now that we have acquired the team, it's now time to add the channel into this team. Now before that, we will need the group ID of this team. So when we create a Microsoft Teams, there is always the associated Microsoft 365 group gets created behind the scene. So let me show you that. If you open up the Microsoft 365 Admin Center and you navigate to Active Teams and Group, you would see Teams and Microsoft 365 groups. There are distribution list and security groups as well, but we are interested in Teams and Microsoft 365 group. If you search for Secret, you will get a Project Secret. That's the one that we were looking at, and you can see it is Microsoft 365. So if you click on this, you will observe the GUID towards the end of the URL, and that's the ID, that's the GUID of this Project Secret Microsoft 365 group. This is what we need to further work for adding the channels to the team. So let's go back. So new Teams channel, we will give a group ID, and this is what we need. So we will refer the variable dot group ID. This is what we were referring. Okay, we'll provide the display name. Let's just call it as the analysis phase, and we will also define the membership type. You can have a private channel, you can have the standard channel, and you can also have the shared channel. So in this case, we're going to keep it standard channel because every member of the team should be able to view this channel. If you have a requirement wherein only specific members of a team should be able to view this channel and not everyone else who is part of a team, then you can define this channel as a private channel. So for now, I'll go with the standard and we should be good to go. Let's go ahead and run these scripts, these commands so far, and then we will see how can we get this channel updated and then delete as well. So let's go and run this. As we can see, it's fetching the teams. It's doing its work in the background. Okay, and there we have it. This means the team channel has been created. Let's go and check. And there we have it. We can see analysis phase channel added. Okay. Now let's say we have created the channel, but then we have realized that hey, we really want to have a display name only analysis. We do not want analysis phase. We forgot to add the description. We should add the description as well. So how do we do this? So let's go and set this. So to do this, we will use set team channel. Again, we will need group ID which is this group ID. Then we will say current display name. So the current display name is the analysis phase. And then we will specify the new display name, which is just the analysis. And let us also specify the description. This channel will have all documents related to the analysis phase. Okay, sounds good. All right, let's go and comment this out for now. Let's run this. It's fetching themes, doing its works in the background. All right, let's go and check. As we can see, from the analysis phase to it has gone to analysis. If we click on more options, if we go to manage channel, you can see the description. This channel will have all the documents related to the analysis phase. Okay, so let's comment this out. If you want to get a specific channel, you can also just use get team channel and then specify the group ID, which would be this. With this approach, you can also get a specific channel and then work with its property as well. So now let's go ahead and check the delete channel. So it's remove team channel. Then you specify the group ID from which team this needs to be removed and specify the display name, which is analysis. This should remove the team channel. Let's go and run this. Okay, so the command has successfully completed. Let's go and check. Now, as you can see, we no longer have the analysis channel under project secret. So I hope this simple example helped you to understand how can you create a channel, get a channel, update a channel, and delete the channel for Microsoft Teams using PowerShell. I thank you for watching the video.